When I hear the words "move it on over," I think of Hank Williams and the big dog moving in and all that stuff. Well, actually, move it over has some other connotations, especially when you're talking about safety. John Dee Delormier, the great peacekeeper, tells us about it.
The move over law is what you call a common sense law, or sometimes when common sense isn't there, you need to have a law to have people follow what should be done. And what should be done in this case is to move over when you see emergency lights for emergency vehicles. Of course, I'm a police officer, we're talking about police vehicles, but we're talking about all kinds of emergency vehicles. So when you see emergency lights, police, fire, or ambulance, you are required by the Quebec Highway Safety Code to move over. Okay, so usually when we are doing a vehicle stop or the ambulance is there with us on an accident, we will have one lane blocked or we will be on the shoulder. And what you're required to do is move over into the next lane safely, and that's the spirit of the law. Anything in the Quebec Highway Safety Code usually does have a penalty that goes along with it, and there is a ticket. It's under section 406.1, and what that does is people who don't respect the law will be fined. We do give out the ticket in Kahnawake. It's $275. It's not a cheap ticket. Normally a parking ticket in Kahnawake runs you about $52. These are more expensive, and the reason why they're more expensive, much like the cell phone law that just went up, cell phones used to be about $115, now they're $438 for using your cell phone in a vehicle, is because it's a safety issue. If you're using your cell phone in your vehicle, you are basically impaired driving. Your eyes are not on the road, you're putting yourself at risk. Much with the move over law, you're putting our lives at risk. Yes, we're out there giving tickets. We also could be checking on a car that has its four-ways on. Somebody's in distress, they need help. When we have our police lights on, it's for a reason, it's for our safety. And now this common sense law that was made in 2012, and it's been going for 6 years, so people should know about it, is to just move over when you see police lights. Because honestly, I'm out there a lot. I give a lot of tickets. I'm with trainees, they're giving out a lot of tickets. And what I want to do is go home to my family after every single shift, and this law helps me to get back to my family every single shift because my safety is the concern of this law.